Hello guys, today I'll be showing you the top 19 150cc motorcycles on the Philippines. Disclaimer, this list is based on my researches, so if ever you feel that this isn't right, you can just comment down below in order to correct this list and show other people what your opinion is. Top 19, Honda Airblade 150. Top 18, Honda CB150R. Top 17, Yamaha FZI 150. Top 16, Yamaha TFX 150. Top 15, Honda XR 150. Top 14, Yamaha MT-15. Top 13, Honda PCX 150. Top 12, GSXS 150. Top 11, GSXR 150. Top 10, CRF 150. Top 9, Honda ADV 150. Top 8, Honda Click 150. Top 7, Suzuki Gixxer aka GSX 150. Top 6, Yamaha NMAX. Top 5, Yamaha R15. Top 4, Honda RS 150. Top 3, Yamaha Aerox. Top 2, Sniper 150. And the most popular, Suzuki Rider 150! Okay guys, that's it for this video. The price and top speed may vary. Leave a message in the comments below if you disagree. And then press the subscribe and like button guys. And see you guys on the next video.